The present continuous tense. Welcome, boys and girls, to our English grammar spot. This lesson is about the present continuous, our last unit for this year. In this video, we are going to learn about how to form a present continuous and when to use it. But before starting, I think it's better if we revise the present simple of verb to be, because the verb to be is an important ingredient in the present continuous tense. So, let's see the singular forms. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is. And now the plural forms. We are, you are, they are. Do you remember them? How to form a present continuous. Basically, we need three ingredients. The verb to be, the main verb, and the letters ing. Let's take a look at some examples. I am working late. You are talking too fast. He is watching television. She is walking to school. The underlined words represent the verb in the present continuous tense. We have the auxiliary verb and the main verb describing the action. Before adding to the verb the letters ing, we have to take into account some spelling rules. For example, here we have two verbs ending with the vowel E. Take, make. What do we have to do before adding ing? We have to drop the final E. So the E disappears and then we add ing. I'm taking the bus to school. She is making dinner. And here there is another important spelling rule. We have here some verbs formed of a consonant, a vowel, and another consonant. Sit, get, run. They are one-syllable verbs, ending in a consonant preceded by a vowel. What happens here? We have to double the final consonant. Look, I'm sitting outside. You're running fast. Can you see? We have double T here and double N here. Present continuous in questions. When dealing with questions, we have to remember a word, inversion. Why? Because we have to put the verb in front of the subject. In the positive sentence, I have, I am getting close. You are running late. But if I want to ask a question, I have to put am in front of I, are in front of you. Okay? Don't forget about it. Is he taking a bus? Is she playing tennis? Take a look at the negative sentence now. What do we need in a negative sentence? Of course, the word not. But where do we have to insert it? Between the verb, the auxiliary verb to be, and the main verb describing the action. Here we are. We can use a full form or a short form. I am not waiting for you. You aren't looking for me. He isn't sleeping late. She isn't talking on the phone. It is also very important to know when to use a present continuous. We use a present continuous tense when we are talking about things that are happening now, while speaking. I am watching television at the moment. It is raining right now. The time expressions at the moment and right now point out that the action is happening now. Let's make a comparison with our Italian language. We use to express the English present continuous tense the structure stare plus the verb and ando or endo. So, sto lavorando in English becomes I am working. Sto leggendo in English becomes I am reading. Let's summarize what we've said so far. The present continuous tense is used for actions which are happening at or around the moment of speaking. Now I'm doing the washing up. She is working very hard nowadays. Or it is used for temporary situations. So for situations that are not going to last for a long time. I'm staying with a friend at the moment. In the grid, you see the present continuous tense of the verb play, and of course in the affirmative sentence. So in the first position we find the subject, then the verb to be, and the main verb plus ing. I am or I'm playing, you are or you're playing, we are or we're playing, they are or they're playing. He is, she is, it is, or his, she's, it's playing. Here we can see other two grids about the questions and the negative sentences. In the questions, in the first position, we find the verb to be. And we have to use the full form. We can't use the short form of verb to be. So, am I playing? Are you? Are we? Or are they playing? Is he? Is she? Or is it playing? In the negative sentence, the subject is in the first position, but you have to put the word not. Here you can use the full form and the short form. I am not or I'm not playing. You are not or you aren't playing. They are not or they aren't playing. He is not, she is not, it is not. His isn't, she isn't, it isn't playing. Now let's have a bit of fun with the Simpsons. What are they doing? Present continuous with the Simpsons. What are the Simpsons doing in this picture? Well, they are watching TV all together. What is Bart doing right now? Bart is jumping at the moment. And what about Lisa? What is Lisa doing? Lisa is playing the saxophone. And here we have Maggie, little Maggie. She looks scared, very scared. What is Maggie doing here? Maggie is hugging her teddy bear. The present continuous tense is also used to describe pictures. Here in this picture we find some people, but all characters are doing very different things. Let's see some of them. For example, the cat. The cat is climbing a tree. And what about this man, the blonde man here? He is watering the flowers. Then, near him, I can see another man smiling. He is reading his newspaper. And next to the table, there are other people. There's a girl. What is she doing? She is listening to the radio. And an old man here sitting on a chair. What is he doing? He's sleeping. His wife? She looks a bit disappointed. And she is drinking her tea. Behind them, there's a boy. He is hardworking. He is cleaning a window. And on the grass, I can see two young girls. What are they doing? They are laughing. They are having a lot of fun. And they are playing with their dolls. Bye for now, boys and girls. See you soon.